Okay, so what we're gonna do is have a little bit of a drag between the Rocket 3 and this, the Ducati Diavel. Yes, we understand that it's not the latest and greatest 1260, but this is no slouch. So this is going to be very interesting to see. The 2013 Ducati Diavel versus the 2020 Rocket 3. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a bit of a roll on. So we're both going to roll on at around about 20 kilometers an hour, keeping side by side as best we can. There'll be a marker set on the road. As soon as we get past that marker, we're going to launch it and away we'll go. So let's see how this turns out.
Oh, nail it.
Yep.
Yeah. What speed are you going to be doing about?
What should we do, about 20?
Yeah.
I think about 20, because you might bring up the front wheel going 30.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll go 20 and then we'll go for it. Yeah, we're good. Turning circle. I hit it and then I backed off and then you hit it. I was like, shit.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, I reckon. Yeah. So that post just there, I reckon.
Yeah.
That post, and we just nail it. And once we get, did you see the yellow sign on the left?
No.
There's a yellow sign on the left. Just hit the brakes, slow down, because that will creep up pretty quick. But I reckon that's going to be quicker.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah. We'll give it a shot, see how we go. So 20 kilometers and then nail it.
Which is first gear, really.
Yeah, pretty much.
Righto. So this pole here?
Yeah, that one there. Quicker. Yeah, the Ducati's quicker. We have just confirmed. We launched pretty much on point there, and I was full throttle.